Hey everyone, welcome to Baking It Right. For this video, we present the one and only Crunchwrap. More specifically, the Crunchwrap Supreme. Never had the Crunchwrap Supreme because I cannot have the meat, I can only have beans. But the regular Crunchwrap with refried beans and such is probably one of my favorite, if not my most favorite fast food item in all of fast food world, I guess. Lately, I've been seeing more and more people making their own Crunchwraps at home, so this got me really interested to do my own version, so here it is. To start out, I went to Trader Joe's to get ingredients that I did not have. I did have some of the ingredients, and you will see them along the way, so do not worry. So I got some massive flour tortillas. They have to be huge so that they can fit all the toppings. Then you can also do the wrap for the Crunchwrap. It's like the signature wrap. I got some red onions. Then I got some corn and wheat tortillas. Now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with those later in the video, so stick around. I got some cilantro. That's like classic Mexican cuisine right there. We got ourselves our pre-shredded Mexican. What? No. Okay. We got ourselves some low moisture whole milk mozzarella cheese, some Monterey Jack, and some cheddar for our own cheese blend. I mean, what are you gonna do with the pre-shredded cheese blend? Am I right? Now we gotta shred all of these cheeses. So that includes the cheddar, the low moisture whole milk mozzarella. It has to be low moisture and whole milk, just like a pizza video. And we're gonna use Monterey Jack. Start out by taking all of your cheeses out of their wrapping. Once they are all unwrapped, cut each of them in half because it makes them easier to shred. Alright, so now it's time to shred them. As you can see, we're only going to be using half the Monterey Jack because I thought the flavor was a little bit too powerful, but all of the whole mozzarella and all of the cheddar. So when shredding, you need to be careful that you do not cut your finger because it is very possible. Now, once all of the cheese is blended, mix it with your hands. There's no need to mix it with a spoon or a fork. It's cheese. Wash your hands with soap, and I hope you're doing that before all of these tasks. Now, your cheese blend is done. Leave it in the fridge because it's now time to work on some other factors. Alright, so now we're going to work on a salsa that is really simple. That's really going to knock your socks off. Sorry, that was really creepy. Now to make it, dice one tomato with a sharp knife like this Wusthof here. Gee, look at that. Wow. Wowee. Then you're going to dice one red onion, and if you haven't caught on yet, we're using the Wusthof. Then cut up some cilantro, and we are using the... sorry. Throw all that into a bowl and season with kosher salt or just salt, the juice of one lime, and mix. Now it's time to work on our meat factor, which is chicken thigh. Do not use chicken breast. When grilled, it literally sucks. The seasoning is really simple. Season both sides with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, and optionally some chili lime seasoning. Now we're going to work on some grilled vegetables, which is to die for. Cut one bell pepper by slicing all sides and throwing away the white middle because it's disgusting. Grab one jalapeno that has had the seeds removed and dice it. Then dice your bell pepper. Also slice one small yellow onion. Throw all of those vegetables into a large pan with a high heat oil on medium heat. Move all of your grilled vegetables in the pan to the side and add your chicken. While it's waiting, grab all those corn tortillas and get them ready for deep frying. Carefully place your corn tortillas into some hot oil. While I was frying, I flipped all the chicken since the crust was looking great. Once you flip all your chicken, optionally squeeze the juice of 1 lime for that Mexican flavor. Then get back to your corn tortillas. If they're golden brown on one side, flip, and once they're golden brown on the other side, leave them on some paper towels because they will crisp up soon. If you want, optionally season with kosher salt. Also, take out all of your chicken once it registers 160 degrees Fahrenheit and slice them into pieces. So now everything is ready. Start out with a spread of refried beans, followed by your grilled vegetables, your salsa. I would recommend you put your cheese before the crispy tortilla, unlike us. Put your chicken on top of that cheese, then put the I don't know what it's called, the crunchy thing, and then carefully wrap it. Now I did a terrible job of wrapping. It was really hard. So I have a link in the description just of someone else's video showing you how to wrap it. So you can just skip to that part. Now once you have it wrapped, throw it onto a cast iron skillet with the wrap side down so that it can stick together. Once it sticks together and it has a nice crust on both sides, it's time to taste test, people.
Ooh.
This is exciting for everybody,
So we don't have any sour cream.
Let's give this a try. I'll try it, guys. It tastes like a tortilla, so it tastes like cheese, grilled vegetables. But
you can't walk behind him while he's doing
I
it.
think I'm a jig. What's this called?
Salad.
A salad.
Salsa.
Whatever these fried things are called. Wrapped in a tortilla. That's this, yeah. And put on. Now I'm sure some of you noticed that I had deleted the video of an Afghan soup last week. The video quality, for some reason, it just wasn't good. It was super blurry. So thing is, we were going on a trip and I immediately just posted it without thinking. I didn't get to look at it, but when I came home, it was not up to standards. So usually I would not post something like that, and I will not do that so in the future, hopefully. So if you guys ever have any problems with videos like this, just make sure to tell me on the comments. I'll look at it. Maybe I'll delete it and redo it. The Osh video will come up again, and it will have better video quality. So sorry about that. Thank you for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you next weekend.